My name is Sana. I have a lot of material that will help you reach more awareness. And let's begin. Welcome. I have a question for you. Do you enjoy reading novels? I know what you are thinking. Who doesn't? To be honest, many people learn and keep record memory of negative emotions every time they read hurtful material. So much so that they feel impacted when they are forced by books to have a reaction response, referring to similar hurts they have had in their own lives they are depicted in the books and media sources they are exposing themselves to is expected. For example, someone reads about envy, and oftentimes, especially with students, their mind is expected to react with a similar story, hurtful personal story. Judgment-free reading should not be overlooked. However, why do you read violent fiction or factual books if it leads to recalls of former hurts in one's own life? Here I'm referring to the feeling of unfamiliarity with stopping the lecture of murder mysteries or other negative books. The impact on one's health from reading murder mystery books or eBooks, for example, is enormous, which is favorable according to the general public and seen as growth due to the knowledge of new hurtful emotions. Often people conjure up for entertainment purposes. But in my opinion, it is hurtful to read such books to one's health, and exposing yourself to this type of material is negative and not favorable to one's heart and soul. Next, don't try to control your mind because the untrained mind at first will think of what you are trying not to think of. The aim is to be meditative for 5 minutes, 3 times a day is to start, because letting go takes practice, which is why I express the need of distancing yourself from your past. Don't try to control your mind. Small attempts in meditation lead to noticeable change. One needs to take one needs to take on little advancements in reaching awareness, present attention free from fear and worry. Place your trust and your attention in your divine's presence for you to become whole. And that's it. I have this material that I received from my higher self, and this is for people who need more awareness. Those who've had accidents and near-death experiences often have questions like, where do I go? And I hope my videos give some people help with that question. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.